We're fishing for a couple different things while we're here today, but I'm gonna throw this rooster tail first. Come on. I don't know how this camera is recording because I have it tilted down a little bit because of this rain. I don't know if I've ever thrown a rooster tail out here before. Actually, because there's some good fish in here. I usually fish for bigger stuff, if I'm being completely honest. Rain fishing, I ain't did no rain fishing in a while. Actually, and this wasn't even on purpose. Where are we at? Throw it over here. I see some sticks out there though. Nice. Let's see. I'll get to these bass here in a second though. Oh, got one though. Or I did have something. Oh. Yeah, I know. The water's way up. Hey, it's nice to see that. Shoot. Yeah, it's good to see the water getting back up. It ain't been up here in the grass in a while. Messing around and go get that Texas rig, boy, and get on these bass. Surprised ain't nothing messing with this dang rooster tail. Yeah, they gotta be hungry, man. This water's all up. They got all this fresh water in here. Come on. Where y'all at? Problem is, they want the hog leg. So, that's what we'll give them. Hey, at least it's not hot right now. I can dig that. Got one. Yes, sir. Oh, what is it? Something wanted it. Is that a... Oh, okay. Nice. We'll take it. We ain't gonna eat them, though. You get to live another day, buddy. And you're lucky because you're a big boy. That's a... Woo-hoo, you lucky boy. You look good in the grease. But that ain't what we're here for today. Nice. Woo. Son. Look at that one. Wow. Thank you for biting. That's a hog right there. They want the hog leg. Yeah. Peace, home. Oh. He did like a... popped a wheelie before he left. That was pretty cool. A big old bluegill. We might have a nest or some beds right there because it's kind of shallow where you can't see. That was a big old bluegill. Oh, got another one. Oh, God. Oh, another bluegill. Big boy. I wonder if this is the same one. No, that ain't the same one. This has got some brighter colors on it, but he's big though, like the last one. Holy crap. This is another big boy. Yes, sir. Come on. Let's see. I got my pliers over there. Here we go. Huh?
He is just peeing on you, I think.
What? Oh, he is. He is peeing on me. Ah! Bruh. Here we go. Ah! Yeah, there we go. Whew. I don't know. This one might even be bigger than the last one. Oh! I'm just trying to get it. I know. All right, buddy. Okay. Peace, loser. Sucker. That one was getting a little antsy, wasn't he? That's okay. That's okay, man. what it is about this pond, dude. All the fish in here are like, all the different species of fish are like a really good size. For a small little pond, this place is awesome. Hey, it stopped raining too. It'd be cool if like a tilapia bites one of these. Get a fish we really ain't expecting to catch. Let's go. Look like Turtle City over here. I guess we're just gonna walk through the forest of ticks probably, now that I'm thinking about it. Dang it. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Oh, I don't know what that bug is. Ugh. Oh, shoot. Oh, I'm gonna take some. Alright. Tick City over there. You got some fish over here, bud? They say there's fish. There's always fish where the birds are at. Is that true, bud? You got a fish over there that I didn't even know about? Let's at least get a bass bite on this. I know the bass like these. I know it. Who else fishes with these Zebcos still? I like them. I grew up fishing with them, so I'm pretty comfortable with them. See just little turtle heads. Turtle heads everywhere in here. Alright. What's up, buddy? I'm not gonna mess with you. I was trying to get past you, man, but you're trying to. Alright, one of us has to stop. I'll do it. I was trying to walk past him, but he insisted on staying in front of me. I don't know what that means. Is he trying to keep all the fish for himself or what? He is, dude. He is trying to keep all the fish for himself. All right. Starting to rain a little bit again. Dude, those bluegills were monsters, bro. Oh, look at this bass right here, dude. Oh. Well, so much for that. Seemed like, wasn't a huge bass, probably like a 2-pounder, but I messed that up. Yeah, forget about that one biting anytime today. What is that? That's a big old fish. Dude, I don't know if y'all can see that right there. That's a big old fish right there. Hold on. Hold on. He's not interested at all. He's not even moving towards it. Dude, one of those was a 5-pounder just then. I know. Why am I still throwing a rooster tail? Look like that's a big old fish right there. I know y'all can't see it because I could hardly see it. Come on, man. Skip this dang. Oh, got it. I watched him eat it too. Heck yeah. Nice. He came right in for that one. Yeah. Ooh, on the outside of the lip. There we go. Nice. First bass on a rooster tail today too, huh? Thank you, thank you. Peace out. Nice. Pretty awesome. Oh, got one. Whoa. Nice. Thank you, little buddy. Let's see. Almost got a hook in the end just then. All right. Thanks, bud.